we actually see that in Parliament we are actually standing for every part. That's like we have children. Children must be heard. Don't you think that children tabamanyi, so they are no, we don't want them children? No. In a society, in a home, if you throw away your children, then you are not a good parent.
Mr. Eric, another question. Amidst you want to come as a deputy speaker
of Parliament. Yeah.
Please, kindly, all member of Parliament, me, I'm campaigning now for my OB here. Please give him the vote to be the deputy speaker of Parliament. You never know, maybe one time I'll come also, I present some issues under his authority when he's the deputy speaker of Parliament of Uganda at the moment.
Parliament can never be against an individual. Parliament is an institution that is impartial, is an institution that is independent. Parliament is, we love everyone. We are working with Bobby Wine. Well, some people just...
Do you love him?
We do.
Do you support him?
Bobby Wine is a very good person.
Do you support him?
I do.
Do you encourage him to come as a president?
I encourage him we work together. Not now as for presidency, but in other aspects. Yeah, for example, if he gets a microphone and gives a song, wow, he has the best music.
You want him as a musician?
He's a mobilizer. He's a very, I mean, via reasoning, he's the best.
Why don't you vote for him as the president?
No, he's one of the best people we have in this country.
Secondly, in the case if, God forbid,
it's like this, just like we have Museveni, very good. Just like we have Rogers, very good.
Yes.
We have just like we have Bobby Wine, a very good person. But when we rate Museveni, so far, Aina Maxi, Ninjiko, na Bobby Wine, na ya alikwano. Getting 3 million voters in Uganda.
I understand there were more than.
Whatever, if it is 3.5, or Aina 5 or Aina 3, you think Bobby Wine is a small person?
Obviously,
he's a very important person in this country. The most important thing is for us to be on the alert as members of Parliament, because MPs, we are pro-people. We only need to understand what is causing this insecurity amongst ourselves. We need to train the young people, vibrant, and understand the practice, and also to encourage the different organs of government, security. Mbuna, the best way out is to work with the people. Is not to arrest them, detain them without knowledge of the family members. It's not good to pick someone, be taken anywhere we don't know. We only need to follow the law. Follow the law. Rogers has an issue. Please, the chairman LC1 should know that we are taking Rogers.
Absolutely.
The family should know that, please, the head of the family has issues with the state. There is no way we can just pick someone and then we take. So we only need to be on the lookout. We train the different organs of government. We also work with the population. This is a concerted effort. It's not only for one group or the other. It's like this. People who think that you can do everything. Second year inabyakoze bingi.
Abelina
for this country.
Yabikolanga alisinga esigala eri ewabe nabiranga MP je bamukuba akalulu. Yali agezeza akokola. Let me tell you, you should be very realistic.
Being voted out does not mean mbuna teyakola. Waliwo dynamics nyingi ezitambula mu politics.
Yakola jire emyaka nga mvubuka.
Kati ya oda amanyi. Kati buli muntu yenna akadie si muntu. Siwa mugaso.
You mentioned it abakadde abena kye bakola.
Museveni.
Mani?
Museveni.
Nawe totobuzi. Oyo guy yakola n'ekiseera kino wallahi tena kyatuyamba.
No, the man has really
yakola. I remember in the 80s
Kankule doctor, the community we have involves, I would say, 2 classes of people. Eringa a piano enanga muje
it's a piano.
A piano ina mapesa abiri. Ina a pesa area white neria black. Kati if you want a good melody, you know kolesa mapesa abiri
at once.
Ochiraba, you cannot use one to produce a good melody. No white, no you can get out. It's like now in this world where we are, twina the seniors nabano abazukulu. Ochiraba bona tubetaga mu parliament. We need the elders, we also need the young population. Ochiraba
the elders to do what? The
elders to bring that historical perspective and wisdom.
Let me tell you,
that wisdom is very, very important. Jotaina atenga the old person ajina. Then we have the modernity, the modern world, which you also have. So that's why you are bringing in that age differences. Otherwise, you cannot entirely say twagala bavuka bayina okubanga batukulembera. Olowooza mbuno if it was a university, you only need the abasomye koboka.
The university is not for organism. We need people educated. We add them. You come when you finish, you are given level, we add you another level.
You know, that is it. The elders, we need them. That's why even in the 11th parliament we are having members of parliament who are elderly to bring in that composition.
It is only in Uganda where they elect MP of Abakade.
We need
to do what in the parliament of Mukade? Seriously. To come and start dozing and doing other things.
Not really dozing. Is your father dozing? Is your grand dozing?
What is
Do you think your father is relevant? Do you think your grand is relevant?
Is relevant at my home?
No. Do you want your grand just to be there?
To feed and to be talking.
That wisdom, we need it so much. We need it. We need it to compend it into the system of society. Actually, we have very many questions. Society, everyone is asking themselves, why? Jango tubulire, tugende wagundi, tugende wasenga kubulire, gwe senga chayino kukola. Kinene nnyo ate gwe tokisobola. Okiraba. That's why we bring in that. Batugende tetusobola. Iyo wakojja naye ayina ebyakola. Si bona abakojja b'emyaka 3.
Natabenako senga emyaka 20 mu senga.
Actually, we need all composition of society.
We need them
in proper management of this society.
Where the issues
setting a new agenda, a proper agenda for this country. We need all groups of people. We cannot actually say we are only planning for the youth without the aged. Actually, when you look at abakuze, the people who are old in society, they have been left aside. They are suffering. They have their issues. That's why you see the senior citizens grant, sage money. This government is giving them a small token per month. Don't you think this is good? Remembering the old. I mean, forget that it has not yet been rolled out in the entire country, but there are some districts that are benefiting. So our prayer is, can it be rolled out to every district and every person, and then up from 75 years up to infinity? Can these people be heard? Can these people be given something? Really, the elderly, they are those people who have lost their children. They are just there, so they are not receiving anything. And for people who think that the elderly are not all that big, now we think they are important. So back to politics and government, we actually see that in parliament we are actually standing for every part. That's like we have children. Children must be heard. Don't you think that children tabamanyi, so they are no, we don't want them children? No. In a society, in a home, if you throw away your children, then you are not a good parent.
Mr. Eric, another question. Amidst you want to come as a deputy speaker
of parliament. Yeah.
Please kindly, all member of parliament, me I'm campaigning now for my OB here. Please give him the vote to be the deputy speaker of parliament. You never know, maybe one time I'll come also, I present some issues under his authority when he's the deputy speaker of parliament of Uganda at the moment. But my question is, you member of parliament today, you're not in favor of Bobby Wine, and you are against him. Why is it so?
Not really. We Parliament can never be against an individual. Parliament is an institution that is impartial, is an institution that is independent. Parliament is, we love everyone. We are working with Bobby Wine. Some people just...
Do you love him?
We do.
Do you support him?
Bobby Wine is a very good person.
Do you support him?
I do.
Do you encourage him to come as a president?
I encourage him we work together. Not now as for presidency, but in other aspects. Yeah, for example, if he gets a microphone and gives a song, wow, he has the best music.
You want him as a musician?
He's a mobilizer. He is a very, via reasoning, he's the best.
Why don't you vote for him as a president?
No, he's one of the best people we have in this country.
Secondly, in case if, God forbid,
it's like this, just like we have Museveni, very good. Just like we have Rogers, very good.
Yes.
We have just like we have Bobby Wine, a very good person. But when we rate Museveni so ahead. Far, aina maxi nyinjiko na Bobby Wine naye ali kwano. Ochiraba getting 3 million voters in Uganda.
I understand there were more than.
Whatever, if it is 3.5. Or aina 5 or aina 3. You think Bobby Wine is a small person?
Obviously,
he's a very important person in this country.
The second last question, God forbid, in case President Museveni dies tonight, and now the parliament says, Don was second in the race to take on the...
It's not constitutional. That is the Ndowozayo.
What does the constitution say?
Who is the best person? Who can be the... No, not like that. In President Taliwo, Vice President Taliwo. Next Chief Justice taliyo, next Speaker taliyo, kati abo bonna basatu. The three were
Odolo mukwasi.
No, Uganda we are blessed. We have strong people who can move on.
The constitution of Uganda clearly defines that if the president is out of the world, the one who takes the interview is the Chief Justice of Odolo.
Yes.
Odolo taliwo. Obukwase no, the Vice President ani second
taliwo tasobola Uganda inokola Buganda nafe netufuna president kati second he. You know, people think
Katondo Jotu sasa Museveni kala aveyo ofe balete Odolo.
No, Museveni is still on.
Odolo afe balete second Uganda batu kunamidwa.
Toyogera bwotyo.
Uganda we tutuse.
We have strong men and strong women who can lead Uganda, and so far we have the best. Museveni achaliwo, even after Museveni other people will come up. I'm a member of NRM.
Since when?
Since I was born. I'm NRM.
That's a program you
Okujako in the 11th parliament. Ngenda kuwa independent. In the 11th parliament.
Tugambe NRM wajivamu.
NRM leaning independent. Ochiraba. NRM.
Naenda babyoyamba divya nup.
That it makes me the best person. Kugambe wali na wenja I actually say Honorable Bobby Wine oli mulungi, Museveni now oli mulungi. There is an element in Kugambe these Ugandans are very good.
Baba na abantu ba NRM abantu ba NUP abali mu NRM mubalabye tubalina wano ate abantu ba NUP abali mu NRM naba NRM abali mu
bonna kwegamba we are all Ugandans.
Leave that one aside.
Tuli mu Uganda.
But parliament si abana Uganda.
Tuli mu struggle fena. Tuli struggling.
Neka kichensa.
Ne Museveni ali mu struggle. Ochimanyi Museveni ali mu struggle.
Yawa.
Museveni is struggling to liberate and develop this country.
Emyaka 3 mu 5.
Achakola. Achakola. Ayina abala myaka 5. addamu ajja kubalenda leeta.
Magufuli mu myaka 5 akoze enguudo kilometers 5,000. Museveni myaka 35 akoze enguudo kilometers 10,000.
Akyakola ffe tulina historical challenges. Uganda tubadde tulina historical challenges nyingi. Okuva Obote, Amini, byonna omanyi okutereeza ebyo byonna. Kati that is history. Kati bwe tuliwo real planning and implementation. So Museveni, that's where he is.
But kirabika mwe n'abamemba of parliament bemutuuka eyo mu parliament mulimu akatwa oba mulimu virus gye bateekamu yonna nefuuka
teri virus. Nkugamba people think that parliament is not working. There is a misrepresentation of parliament. Parliament erina byekola ate birungi. Okiraba Museveni alina byakoze, alina ebimulemye, alina byayagala okukola. Naawe nga dokito olina byokoze ebirungi, waliwo ebikulemye
nabyo
gyebiri. Okiraba
naye ate nze emyaka gyange sijakasikize sijakawungeezi.
Waliwo n'omulala ayinza okugamba naye Rogers lwaki alimiddwa ekintu kino. Gu myaka gy'alina Rogers mulamba n'aba nga talina bakola ekintu kino. Rogers ku myaka kubanga at every stage of life,
yes.
There are things that you can delay to achieve. Museveni ayina ebimutawaanya. Walinga okyali omusajja gwe okuze wakiweza wazze emabega.
Kale nina emyaka 5
kale
ne kati 5 naba nazalibwa dekoze.
But you are not sure.
If I have 55 years, I was just taking the President Museveni najjanga ina 15. Era talina kye yakoze bannange.
Museveni alina byakoze, naawe olina byokoze. Kati kye tulina okukola, not everyone can be president, not everyone can be an MP, not everyone can be a lecturer, not everyone can be a doctor, not everyone can be
that
whatever.
Is true.
So we only need to understand ng'olina byokola nange olina byenkoze tugende mu maaso.
Parliament jwa magezi ku kintu ekiwamba abantu ekitta abantu awamu n'obutebenkevu mu ggwanga. Advise them as an MP.
Ni advising.
You advise yourself.
Because in the Chikola. Wandigambia, how do I advise?
Advise your fellow MPs, those who don't think for their
actually, the most important thing is for us to be on the alert as members of parliament, because MPs, we are pro-people. We only need to understand what is causing this insecurity amongst ourselves. We need to train the young people, vibrant, and understand the practice, and also to encourage the different organs of government, security. Mbona, the best way out is to work with the people. Is not to arrest them, detain them without knowledge of the family members. It's not good to pick someone, be taken anywhere we don't know. We only need to follow the law. Follow the law. Rogers has an issue. Please, the chairman LC1 should know that we are taking Rogers.
Absolutely.
The family should know that, please, the head of the family has issues with the state. There is no way we can just pick someone and then we take. So we only need to be on the lookout. We train the different organs of government. We also work with the population. This is a concerted effort. It's not only for one group or the other. So we only need to work together to make sure that there is sanity in society.
All right. Thank you so much. When you're ending our program, I have only 3-4 questions. The answer is yes or no. Do you believe in Bobi Wine?
Bobi Wine is not a religion to believe in.
Is what?
Just like I can't believe in Museveni. Is Museveni a belief? Is it a belief system anyway? The two, it's not a belief system. I don't need to believe in anyone.
Do you think that Bobi Wine can lead this country?
Yeah, he can.
Do you think Museveni has done enough? He must go.
No, we still need him.
You still need him?
Yeah, we still need Museveni. We still need Bobi Wine.
Where do you belong?
I belong in Uganda.
In which party?
NRM.
You came out.
Yes.
But people who voted, did they vote you as an NRM candidate? They voted you as Eric.
There are many factors why I was voted. First, because
You're pro-people.
I'm pro-people. I'm leaning on the side of NRM. Yes, I have worked for them. I've worked for the people of Kagadi. They still believe that I have a lot to work for them. And I'm still energetic. I can move on. So that's why they voted me with a very big margin difference, like my opponent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your opponent under the deputy speakership?
There are several. There are around more 7 or 8 people who are interested in contesting. They are expressing their interest. They are there, but I don't need even to capitalize on them. I only need to
Capitalize on yourself alone.
on my strength and on my agenda, on making sure that Parliament. By the way, I would want to make Parliament to be taken to the people.
Okay.
I had an idea, like, can we make Parliament probably sit now in our districts or our regions, for that matter, not every time, but can we, for
Once in a
example,
while.
for example, if we are reading the budget, can we take the budget to the people? If, for example, we are opening Parliament and President is opening Parliament, can we take this to Gulu, to Bunyoro? Can we take this to Ankole, to Acholi? I mean, we bring Parliament closer to the people. Otherwise, we don't want always to be just in one place. And it is provided for in our laws of Uganda. And 3 is to make sure that the Parliament will strengthen the issue of independence.
And lastly, are we seeing a very successful swearing-in ceremony come 12th May?
Of course, the different organs of government are in full gear of preparation, and we have hopes that we shall have a wonderful swearing-in ceremony, just like we have been having it. It's not a new thing. It shouldn't be a worry for any Ugandan. It is something that is simple. And we are lucky to have a scientific one, the first of its kind, a scientific swearing-in ceremony for the president, and another one swearing-in ceremony for members of parliament, more scientific.
All right. Lastly, we saw Mr. Tibuhaburwa recent on his speech, Women's Day, when he said Bobi Wine cheated his votes. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Between Bobby,
the agents
yes,
of Bobi Wine.
Yes, Bobi Wine and President Museveni, who cheated who? In your personal analysis.
I cannot actually even say anyone cheated because I concentrated more on my vote. The two know each other. Ani yabba munne Museveni yanziba oba Bobi Wine yanziba bemanyi. Kati oli bwabanga ina evidence mbuno oli yanziba agende mu court. Museveni tasagamba muno Bobi Wine yanziba agende mu court. Andi agende mu court sikuogera. Nange nsobola okugamba gundi yanziba. Bobanga yanziba ngende mu court. Kati Bobi Wine yagambye mvudde mu court eri ya Owenyidolo ngenze mu court ya public. Ne Museveni naye alese ekintu mu public.
Yes,
so anyone alleging, I don't work on allegations. I cannot even say that Museveni cheated or Bobi Wine cheated. Anyone having evidence goes to court. There's a better system. Yeah. So no one else can say Buno ne yanziba or not yanziba nga tayina evidence. Oyina kubanga oyina evidence atenga very critical. Polling station in polling station
yes, but still we saw Bobi Wine's evidences being presented and they were denied by Winyodolo.
No, it is largely because the processes were not harmonized. Bobi Wine had several issues where he was petitioning the court. Remember, he did it in difficult times.
Do you believe he was cheated?
I cannot even believe it. He's a strong man. He achieved the best. It was a very wonderful performance.
Yes, it was performance. Do you believe that he was cheated? Because Tibuhaburwa said Bobi Wine cheated me. And Bobi Wine said,
not
you cheated me.
Not like this. It's like this. Not about belief system. That's like I told you. There's no way you can believe that Bobi Wine was cheated. He performed the best.
But he presented his evidences to the...
Yeah, his evidences.
And President Museveni has not presented even a single form.
He has not gone to court.
Then why is he just speaking?
He just made a comment. He just made a comment.
It's a fountain of honor. Whatever is said, you take it seriously.
Yachogera nga candidate, teyachogera nga president. Kwe statement ojatachinga nga candidate. Candidate ye yali egamba. Why? Ba players mu byobululu tebampisa bulungi. Banziba. Namwe byabakama nawe oyina bye wakola sabitegeera okiraba ayina right nga candidate ayina right
mukama wo his excellence oba
mukama wange president is not good.
Oyo katonda wa Uganda
nedda si mukama
olaba agamba mujjeko amasanyalaze ne gavaako mujjeko simanyi internet ne bivaako mujjeko oyo katonda wa Uganda kyali wange nkubuulire era nze kankubulire mwaba member of parliament abali mu parliament akaseera kano kaleero mbasaba kintu kimu muveeyo mugambe mukama waffe oyo mukama wa Uganda kwoyo gaye muzibu naye yemanyi yeetya
atamutya
nange gwentya
President is the fountain of honor. He must be respected.
We respect him, but the moment you dress smartly and you suit in your panty, we will respect that suit.
I don't know.
Abayefukide naye tuve wano nalusenga olunaku olwaliro mutukuze tukima tubaddeko n'omukulu honorable Achali MP Buyaga East. Ensonga zetogeddeko nyingi twogedde ku bantu kidnapping tukole tutya ne twogera awamu member of parliament magezi kige balina okukola okuyamba abantu baabwe n'ekyokusa ntwogerako nti yesimbyeyo ku deputy speaker w'eggwanga lya Uganda mumuwagire nze muwagira lwa bintu bisatu ekisooka obbi wange ekyokubiri mukwano gwange ekyokusatu amagezi alina ekyokuna muvubuka
webale
sibula batulaba
nandyagadde okusaba abalonzi bategeeze ababaka ba members of parliament ababatwala babasaba akalulu akamusa na Eric mwe katika kodi katino kukolesa nawe kubira MP wo mugambe omusajja oyo muvuka mulungi wakitomuwa akalulu kati simanyi ngagwe
kulwanga oli mulungi
akiwedde kati gwe jaji oyogedde our viewers just want to request you call your member of parliament and request him to support us, and we see how we can bring parliament to you, how we can amplify the independence of parliament, how we can actually make sure that things are not only put on desk, actually they are implemented, given that we have the serious matters in this country handled at parliamentary level, but they take long or even they are never implemented. We want to make sure that things work out. We also want to see that the members of parliament actually come to you, come to the real person on the ground, and then that is the way out. We can move as the Deputy Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, Musana Eric Achali.
Boto wasibud. Banafe Eric mumwekalo afokeko speaker nange njagala nze mu parliament nga nzije kulwa obbi. Nze kamusabidde banafe.
Jangu, parliament is free, it's open.
Nekati nzije njogena. No, I will reason those people because I don't like how they reason. They reason via village things. Most of the MPs.
Yes.
Seriously.
We tuva mu byalo.
Niye bambayitawo.
Tuva mu byalo. Oyinza kata obero tuvumye. Tulina okwogera ebyokukyalo.
Ebyomukyalo.
Ebyoku trading center butawuni obwo ebifomu kasasiro jiti amate tuina makubo gabi
bibabezeza.
Atoyaga togere bya America.
Nedda sebo mogere biri
London.
Mogere biri mukafufu ke wamwe.
Ebyo.
Nti mubasuze mugenda
bafu wano tu amaze tetuina ebyo.
Ono MP abagambye ntino ye awagira tawagira alese ndoza nagamba Kadaga is a bit better than
Yeah, that's very true.
Better than Olanya. So in my own analysis awagira
Is
Kadaga
excellent or only excellent or more better?
so Kadaga she's excellent.
Better.
Olanya is good.
Okay.
The other one is excellent.
Yeah.
Some but tetusa kukiriza still Owinyodolo ave mumambuka. At the same time no Olanya niava mbambuka. Tufune speaker ava mbambuka go Owinyodolo. Owinyodolo ava mu north. The two masigas of the nation to be in the same category. Uganda Jacobe food. Tetuja bigumikiriza. Nze sija campaigning anytime I'm coming as a member of parliament very soon, but I may not come as an MP. Nja kuja nga president bidi abiri mukaga teba mutakampa mulekeyo nenje nkagala nkasabi na advance tuve one akumata 10 mpera paka olundi twaga tuchaze mukulu ngagenda mu campaign ze mu parliament era njaziba tusako live ngali mu parliament nga alikogera ko amuna abantu tusebo tujja kugobera tulabe kichi abantu kyo bagamba
neyanziza mukwana
akumata 10 mpera amini www.tug tutambuzizo olusi tuyanzege awamu ne ajika komana tukutumide kuna mikonja fina bali Bulaya tubagala nyipo in London, British, Ukraine, Italy, Spain, Indonesia and other areas, without forgetting all my family members, Linda Charity, Manyire Caroline, awamu ne muzei Canon Bishop Chris Matov tumide ko